If you're over 50 and noticing more sagging skin, deeper wrinkles, or a loss of that natural glow, what you cook with every day may be quietly making things worse, not just what you apply on your skin. You see, as we age, one of the most visible signs of time passing is collagen loss. Collagen is the protein that keeps skin firm, elastic, and smooth. But after the age of 50, collagen doesn't just decline slowly. It breaks down faster than your body can replace it. Now, most people focus on skincare products, creams, serums, maybe even collagen powders. But what many don't realize is that the oils you eat and cook with every single day have a direct impact on your skin's collagen. Here's why. Certain oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids. While omega-6 is not bad in small amounts, too much creates chronic inflammation inside the body. That inflammation triggers enzymes that break down collagen fibers, leading to thinner, weaker skin. At the same time, most people don't get enough omega-3 fatty acids, the type that helps reduce inflammation, protect collagen, and promote skin repair from the inside out. Today, I'll show you the 4 omega-6 heavy oils you absolutely must avoid if you care about your skin health, and the 4 omega-3 rich oils that help restore collagen naturally. These are simple, everyday oils. Nothing exotic, no supplements required. But making the right swaps can mean the difference between accelerated aging and maintaining firm, youthful skin well into your 60s and beyond. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments, what city or country are you watching from today? And don't forget to subscribe for more food and health tips specifically designed for active seniors. Let's get started. 4 omega-6 heavy oils that quietly damage collagen after 50. Most seniors think inflammation comes from sugar, processed foods, or stress, but few realize it can come straight from the oil in their cooking pan. Omega-6 rich oils, especially when consumed in excess, increase inflammation, trigger collagen breakdown, and speed up skin aging. Let's look at 4 common offenders. Seed oil number 1, corn oil. If you regularly cook with corn oil, there's a good chance you're unknowingly increasing your risk of premature skin aging, stiff joints, and even cardiovascular issues. While corn oil has long been marketed as a heart-healthy option, especially for its cholesterol-free label, the reality is different for seniors. Corn oil is extremely high in omega-6 fatty acids. While small amounts of omega-6 are necessary for basic cell function, most Western diets already contain far too much. This imbalance between omega-6 and omega-3 creates chronic, low-grade inflammation in the body, a key trigger for skin damage and collagen breakdown. When omega-6 levels are too high, it increases the production of enzymes called matrix metalloproteinases, MMPs. These enzymes directly degrade collagen fibers, the proteins that give your skin firmness, elasticity, and youthful structure. Over time, this leads to more visible wrinkles, sagging skin, and slower wound healing. A 2020 review in the Journal of Clinical Lipidology found that individuals with a high omega-6 to omega-3 ratio experienced significantly higher rates of chronic inflammation and measurable collagen degradation markers. Switch out corn oil for extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is rich in omega-3 and polyphenol, antioxidants that actively protect collagen and reduce inflammation. Avoid packaged products like salad dressings, chips, and snack foods made with corn oil. Always check ingredient labels carefully, even on healthy foods. Hidden corn oil can show up where you least expect it. Seed oil number 2, soybean oil. You might not think twice about using soybean oil. It's in everything from stir fries to salad dressings, and especially in packaged foods. But for people over 50, soybean oil can quietly work against your skin, joints, and overall health. Soybean oil is one of the most omega-6 heavy oils used in the modern diet. While omega-6 is essential in very small amounts, too much throws off the balance your body needs between omega-6 and omega-3 fats. This imbalance increases inflammation throughout the body, affecting not only heart health, but also directly harming your skin and connective tissues. Excess omega-6 from soybean oil activates matrix metalloproteinase, MMP, enzymes in your skin. These enzymes break down type I collagen, the form most responsible for keeping skin firm, elastic, and youthful looking. Over time, this leads to looser skin, deeper wrinkles, and stiffer joints. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology found that high soybean oil intake was linked to significantly higher levels of skin inflammation and collagen breakdown in adults over 50. This wasn't a small effect. It was measurable under skin biopsies. Walnut oil offers a better balance, providing higher omega-3 content and healthy antioxidants that support collagen preservation. Its mild, nutty flavor works great for salad dressings or drizzling over steamed vegetables. Always read ingredient labels. Many products list vegetable oil, which often means soybean oil. Instead, look for cold-pressed oils clearly labeled as walnut, flaxseed, or extra virgin olive oil. Making this small swap can have a big impact on your skin and joint health. Seed oil number 3, sunflower oil. You may think cooking with sunflower oil is a healthier choice, especially since sunflower seeds themselves are packed with nutrients. But here's the hidden truth. Refined sunflower oil, the kind commonly sold in grocery stores, can quietly damage your skin from the inside out. When heated at high temperatures, such as during frying or roasting, refined sunflower oil generates inflammatory byproducts. These compounds directly harm collagen and elastin fibers in your skin, leading to faster aging. Sunflower oil is extremely rich in omega-6 fatty acids while containing almost no omega-3s. This imbalance promotes the overproduction of MMP, matrix metalloproteinase, enzymes, and cytokines. Together, these trigger both visible skin inflammation and silent internal inflammation, harming not just your skin but also vital organs like your heart and joints. A 2017 study in Skin Pharmacology and Physiology found that individuals consuming high amounts of sunflower oil showed increased skin dryness, poor elasticity, and visible collagen breakdown under skin biopsies. Researchers noted this was especially common in adults over 50. Flaxseed oil is a smarter plant-based option. It provides a concentrated source of omega-3s, which help block MMP enzyme activity and support collagen maintenance. Avoid sunflower oil for frying, especially at high heat. If you must use it, opt for high oleic cold-pressed sunflower oil, which contains more stable fats and a lower omega-6 content. And as always, check ingredient lists. Many processed foods, from chips to baked goods, contain refined sunflower oil disguised under vegetable oil. Let me know in the comments. Were you using sunflower oil before? Seed oil number 4, cottonseed oil. At first glance, cottonseed oil might seem harmless. It's been used in commercial cooking for decades, especially in fast food and processed snacks. But for seniors focused on protecting skin health and collagen levels, cottonseed oil is one of the worst offenders. Cottonseed oil isn't just high in omega-6 fatty acids. It also naturally contains a toxin called gossypol. Gossypol has been shown to interfere with hormone balance, particularly affecting testosterone and estrogen levels. For adults over 50, where hormones are already shifting, this can quietly worsen skin thinning, hair loss, and energy dips. High omega-6 content from cottonseed oil boosts MMP enzyme activity, directly breaking down collagen in the skin's deeper layers. At the same time, gossypol disrupts vitamin E metabolism in the body. Vitamin E is a natural antioxidant that protects skin cells and collagen fibers from oxidative stress. The result? A double hit: accelerated collagen loss and weaker skin barrier protection. A 2019 meta-analysis published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that cottonseed oil consumption was linked to significantly higher inflammatory markers and poorer skin hydration in older adults. That means drier, thinner skin, with reduced elasticity and resilience. Switch to extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil. Both contain healthier monounsaturated fats, a lower omega-6 content, and help maintain skin moisture and collagen structure. Cottonseed oil hides in many products labeled simply as vegetable oil. Check ingredient lists on chips, crackers, fried foods, and commercial baked goods. When dining out, especially in fast food restaurants, Assume cottonseed oil may be used unless stated otherwise. 4. Omega-3 rich oils to save collagen after 50. While omega-6 heavy oils speed up collagen breakdown, omega-3 rich oils help protect, repair, and even restore skin elasticity and joint health. Let's look at 4 oils scientifically shown to support collagen naturally. Omega-3 oil number 1, extra virgin olive oil. If you're over 50 and noticing looser skin, slower wound healing, or stiffer joints, one of the simplest and most effective changes you can make is switching to extra virgin olive oil as your primary cooking and dressing oil. While many people think of olive oil as just heart healthy, it's also one of the best oils for protecting collagen as we age. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, polyphenol, and vitamin E. Together, these nutrients reduce inflammation and help inhibit collagenase enzymes, the enzymes responsible for breaking down collagen fibers in your skin, joints, and connective tissues. This means better skin elasticity, fewer wrinkles, and improved joint flexibility. Omega-3 from olive oil helps regulate cytokine production, reducing the body's inflammatory response. It also blocks MMP, matrix metalloproteinase, enzymes, which otherwise break down collagen at a faster rate as we age. A 2021 study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who consumed extra virgin olive oil daily showed 26% fewer collagen degradation markers in their bloodstream compared to those who did not use olive oil regularly. That's a significant reduction from something as simple as an oil swap. How to use? Drizzle 1 to 2 tablespoons per day over salads. Mix into homemade dressings with lemon juice or vinegar. Add to roasted vegetables after cooking to preserve its nutrients. Always choose cold-pressed, extra virgin olive oil and store it in a dark, cool place to maintain potency. Omega-3 oil number 2, flaxseed oil. If you prefer plant-based foods or avoid fish products, flaxseed oil is one of the most effective oils you can add to your routine for protecting collagen, firming skin, and maintaining joint flexibility after 50. Flaxseed oil is the richest plant source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a powerful form of omega-3 fatty acid. ALA helps reduce inflammation and slows down the enzymes that break down collagen fibers in your skin and connective tissues. When you consume flaxseed oil, your body converts ALA into anti-inflammatory molecules that block collagenase enzymes. At the same time, these molecules encourage fibroblast activity. Fibroblasts are the cells that produce new collagen, supporting smoother, firmer skin and healthier joints. A 2020 study published in the International Journal of Dermatology reported that seniors supplementing with flaxseed oil experienced an 18% increase in skin elasticity and improved hydration within just 8 weeks. Researchers noted that flaxseed oil was especially effective for reducing dryness and fine lines. How to use? Mix 1 tablespoon of flaxseed oil into morning smoothies. Stir it into oatmeal, yogurt bowls, or overnight oats. Use it as a salad dressing base, mixed with lemon juice or apple cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon per day is the recommended amount for collagen support. Important: flaxseed oil should never be heated. Cooking destroys its omega-3 benefits, so always use it raw and store it in the refrigerator to keep it fresh. Are you already including flaxseed oil in your meals? Share your experience in the comments. Omega-3 oil number 3, walnut oil. If you're looking for an oil that not only protects collagen, but also sharpens brain function as you age, walnut oil deserves a place in your kitchen. Beyond its rich, nutty flavor, walnut oil offers a unique combination of skin and brain health benefits. Walnut oil contains both omega-3 and omega-9 fatty acids. This combination helps reduce systemic inflammation throughout the body. Omega-3 protects collagen fibers in your skin, while omega-9 supports brain cell health and neuron communication, 2 areas where aging can take a visible and mental toll. Omega-3 from walnut oil inhibits MMP, matrix metalloproteinase, enzymes, which are responsible for breaking down collagen. At the same time, Walnut oil encourages skin barrier regeneration, helping maintain hydration and resilience. Its unique profile makes it ideal for both skin elasticity and joint support. A 2019 study published in the Journal of Aging Research found that adults over 60 who regularly consumed walnut oil experienced improved skin elasticity and reduced markers of oxidative stress. Researchers also observed cognitive improvements, linking walnut oil's benefits beyond just appearance. How to use: drizzle 1 to 2 tablespoons over grain bowls, quinoa, or rice dishes. Mix into cold pasta salads for a flavorful omega-3 boost. Blend into dips like hummus or tahini sauce for added richness and nutrition. 1 to 2 tablespoons per day is recommended. Like flaxseed oil, walnut oil is sensitive to heat. Store it in the refrigerator and use it raw to preserve its omega-3 content and collagen-protecting properties. Have you tried walnut oil before? Share your favorite way to use it in the comments below. Omega-3 oil number 4. Fish oil. If you're over 50 and serious about protecting skin, joints, and overall cellular health, fish oil offers the most complete form of omega-3 support. It's been extensively researched and stands out for its ability to not just slow collagen breakdown, but also help your body build new collagen. Why it helps? Fish oil contains 2 critical forms of omega-3, EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. These types reduce inflammation more effectively than plant-based omega-3s and actively support skin structure and elasticity. EPA and DHA don't just inhibit collagenase enzymes that break down collagen fibers. They also promote pro-collagen gene expression, signaling your skin and connective tissues to produce more collagen. This makes fish oil one of the few natural options that both protects and regenerates collagen from the inside out. A 2022 Harvard Health Review reported that seniors supplementing with fish oil experienced a 28% reduction in skin roughness and a measurable increase in skin thickness after just 12 weeks. Researchers also noted improvements in joint flexibility and brain function alongside these skin benefits. How to use: take fish oil as a daily supplement capsule, ideally from purified, pharmaceutical-grade sources. Or get it from whole foods like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and anchovies. Aim for 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA per day. Make sure to choose high-quality fish oil brands that clearly state they are mercury and toxin-free. Do you currently use fish oil in your routine? Or do you prefer getting omega-3s from plant sources? Let me know in the comments below.